Imagine cutting your workload in half while achieving twice the results. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's possible with AI. AI tools like ChatGPT, Notion AI, and automation bots are game changers for productivity. They're helping people work smarter, not harder, saving time, streamlining tasks, and boosting efficiency like never before. In this video, I'll show you how to use AI to skyrocket your productivity with practical, easy-to-implement hacks that will transform the way you work. Let's dive in. We live in a world where distractions are everywhere. To-do lists keep growing, and there's never enough time. But here's the secret. AI can automate, optimize, and enhance the way we work, so we can get more done in less time. Instead of spending hours on repetitive tasks, imagine having an AI assistant handle them for you while you focus on what actually matters. That's the power of AI productivity. 5 AI productivity hacks. You need to know 1. Use ChatGPT to write faster and smarter. Staring at a blank page? ChatGPT is the ultimate writing assistant. Whether you need emails, reports, content ideas, or even code, just give it a prompt, and boom, instant output. 2. Automate repetitive tasks with AI bots. Spending too much time replying to emails, scheduling meetings, or organizing files, AI automation tools like Zapier, Notion AI, and ChatGPT integrated apps can do it for you. 3. Turn AI into your personal learning coach. Want to learn faster and retain more information? AI can simplify complex topics, generate quick summaries, and even create personalized study plans. 4. Boost focus with AI-powered task managers. Struggle with distractions? AI-powered tools like Motion, Notion AI, and Todoist create smart schedules that adjust to your productivity patterns. 5. Save time with AI-generated content. Whether you're a content creator, business owner, or just need to present ideas clearly, AI tools can generate high-quality content fast. AI is not here to replace you, it's here to empower you. The key to success is learning how to use it effectively to boost your productivity, save time, and achieve more with less effort. Which AI tool are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more game-changing productivity hacks. Let's work smarter, not harder. See you in the next video. Blast off.